Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. We are here right now at Panglao Oasis. I'm Mudra Marita.
And my name is Noreen Ombre.
And nandito tayo ngayon to check what's the latest update about Panglao Oasis. So join us. Come and see what's the latest.
We are here at Building Abbott and we're going to show you a 2-bedroom unit deliverable.
So let's go in. If you notice their kitchen area, what's the difference? They have an overhead kitchen cabinet. Ayun po mga kababayan. Talaga namang social dito sa Panglao Oasis. And take note, because of our methodology, this is solid concrete steel work system po tayo. And take note, that steel work system, wala po tayo mga biga-biga, wala po tayong beams and columns so that you can maximize the space. And for those with balcony, pwede kang pumasok dyan. Diba? May happen. And, dito ka na sa first bedroom natin. Ayan.
And here we have our second bedroom. Ayan. Okay? And of course, we have our own toilet and bath.
And there you have it. Thank you. At tayo nakikita na lang isang deliverable. Actual deliverable unit at Panglao Oasis. Thank you.
Thank you. And there you have it, our latest update of Panglao Oasis.
And so, congratulations sa ating mga investors and soon-to-be investors. Till our next project update.
Bye!